Hello, today I will give you some useful tips, and I think you surely need these. So now let's start it. First, I am going to show you how to add Google Translate to Chrome browser.
Protect.
ការពារ
As you can see in the video, it's very easy. You just select the words or any parts that you want to translate, then it will translate it for you as well. And it also support every languages, and it will automatically change the language by your selection.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
សួស្តី
You see, the language will change automatically by your selection. And it's not only this platform, you can translate in everywhere in your browser as well.
Terima kasih.
សូមអរគុណ
Okay, now I show you how to do this. First, open your browser and search for Google Translate for Chrome. Then hit Enter and click on the top link. Then click Add to Chrome. And right-click on it, then click on Options. Then change the language to your native language, which you want to translate into. And here, I choose my language. Then click Save.
Protect.
ការពារ
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
សួស្តី
Terima kasih.
សូមអរគុណ
Terima kasih berbaginya kawan.
សូមអរគុណសម្រាប់ការចែករំលែកមិត្តភ័ក្តិ
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 새로운 친구입니다. 좋은 영상 감사드립니다.
សួស្តីរីករាយដែលបានជួបអ្នកវាជាមិត្តថ្មីអរគុណសម្រាប់វីដេអូដ៏ល្អ
And if you want to translate all languages, just right-click any free place and click on Translate to English, then change the language that you want to translate for.
Sign our petitions.
ចុះហត្ថលេខាលើញត្តិរបស់យើង
Sign up to volunteer. Scholars and teachers.
អ្នកប្រាជ្ញនិងគ្រូបង្រៀន
Scholars and teachers.
학자와 교사.
Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this video can help you. And if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks and bye for now.
Immense sanctity and virtue.
엄청난 신성함과 미덕.